Read it first. Read that.
The wearing bird in Africa.
Hi! At dahil patapos na ang summer dito sa Canada, namnamin lang natin ang init at mga nakikita natin sa paligid.
Oh my God!
No, I'm not.
Can I get a kiss? Kiss me first, Joe.
Backs.
No, you're not.
Coming back.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. Hi, Papi. Do you wanna bite?
Do you want to bite? Hi, doggy. Say hi, doggy.
Hi, doggy. Doggy in your beach.
In the beach?
Doggy wants to go.
Say hi.
Hi, doggy. Oh no, doggy, why you going?
Oh, come here. I don't like that. Not like that. Come here. No, come here. Come here.
I'm your type, I'm the vibe.
Di ba nagtitiktok ako? May dalawang sasakyan nakapark. Hindi ko alam, may tao pala dun sa isang black na sasakyan. Etong parating dyan. Yan. Yan yung tao kanina. So, kailangan ko mauna sa kanya para hindi niya tayo ma-judge. So, at least nasa unahan niya ako. Hindi niya makikita yung itsura ko. Hindi niya ako makilala kung anong pinagagawa ko doon. Etong washroom door biglang sumara. Eh, ito pa naman, yung pag kunyari pumasok ka, matik magkuklose siya. Hindi siya yung tipong itutulak mo pa ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya nagsara nung wala namang tao. Uwi na kami. So, magpapakamami tayo for today's video.
Go one.
Okay, little one. I'll go. You ride. Careful, slowly. Okay. Give it to me. Give it to me. No, the garbage. Okay, fasten your seatbelt, please. Go. And then the other side. Okay, and then attach it.
Yes, that's perfect. We're going to ice cream shop.
Okay, and then hold it. Don't touch it. Give it to me, and then we'll. Hey, don't touch it! Don't touch it!
Hi, did I just must go in your hand?
Okay, what are you gonna say, George?
Thank you.
Di ba nagpunta kami sa labas, playground and stuff. Tingnan niyo yung pa ako. Bato ng tao. Oh my God. Maglinis muna tayo ng paa. If you know, you know.
Oh yes!